We'll continue with the 11th standard economics short trend cost curve. In that, first we'll go for the fixed cost. Here in the table you can see the output increases or decreases. Output 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 it's there. If it's lesser amount 0, if it's there also fixed cost 1000 தான் இருக்கு. அந்த அவுட்புட் 5 இருந்தாலும் அந்த ஃபிக்ஸட் காஸ்ட் 1000 rupees. இப்போ என்ன வாட் இஸ் த மீனிங் ஆஃப் இட் மீன்ஸ் if I want to pay for the permanent staff salary, rent I have to pay na. If output, if you are manufacturing or not, that expenses of a permanent staff workers rent salary, rent for the factory and all will be same. That's what they wanted to tell. They given it in the table. See the diagram also. The 1000, if it's a increases or decreases output, the x-axis if it's in that red color line is a horizontal line, it won't change, it won't go up or down, it will be same in the straight line only. That means the expense 1000 na and the 1000 rupees rent இந்த மாசத்துக்கு நீ ஃபேக்டரிக்கு பே பண்ணணும்னா பே பண்ணி தான் நீ அதில் ஒர்க் பண்ணாலும் ஒர்க் பண்ணலனாலும் ரெண்ட் யூ ஹேவ் டு பேணும். தட் இஸ் அ ஃபிக்ஸட் காஸ்ட். நெக்ஸ்ட் இஸ் அ you can see that output if it's 0 also அதான் நீ manufacture பண்ணாலும் பண்ணலனாலும் 1000 rupees rent நீ pay பண்ணணும். Salary for the workers you have to give. Next total variable cost. Total variable cost means if output increases means the variable cost increases. Output decreases na variable cost also decreases. பாருங்க first one is 0 na 0 less, 1 in a 200, 5 in a 900. So if it's output increase in a variable cost also increases, decreases na it will decrease. So that's they are given in the diagram. See upward swing it is there, say upward. Output increases means cost increases means your output also will be increases. That's what the upward from the left to right they have shown. Next you can see the total cost curve. Total cost means adding the fixed cost or variable cost we have to add. If we add this both will be having இப்போ ஒரு product produce பண்றதுக்கு we have, that means we have to pay the rent for the example we can give rent for the factory 1000 rupees நீ pay பண்ணோம்னா salary of a employee you have to pay. Then if a output, if a manufacturing of a pen this month if you're not giving manufacturing because of corona anything, if you're not manufacturing nalo fixed cost same. But next month manufacturing start பண்ணிட்ட pen if you want to manufacture more na அப்போ வந்து அந்த fix அந்த salary plus rent plus இப்போ manufacture பண்ண அந்த காஸ்ட்டும் சேர்த்து போணும். But if you add this both total cost of a salary and the rent நீ manufacture பண்ற பென்னோட எக்ஸ்பென்ஸோ ரெண்டுமே சேர்த்தாதான் total cost வரும். That's what they are given in the table. See there. If it's a 0 means fixed cost same தான். அப்போ total cost அது மட்டும் தான். இப்போ manufacture கொரோனானால எல்லா ஃபேக்டரி மூடிடுச்சுன்னா ரெண்ட் பே பண்ணி தான் ஆகணும் இல்லையா? அப்போ அந்த காஸ்ட் மட்டும் வரும் அவுட்புட். இப்போ ஆஃப்டர் 3-4 மந்த் ஒர்க் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிட்டாங்கன்னா அப்போ ரெண்ட் ப்ளஸ் மேனுஃபேக்சர் பண்ண அந்த அமௌண்ட்டும் ப்ளஸ் 1200 வரும். தட்ஸ் வாட் தே ஆர் டெல்லிங். டோட்டல் காஸ்ட் மீன் ஆடிங் ஃபிக்ஸட் காஸ்ட்டும் வேரியபிள் காஸ்ட்டும் டுகெதர். That's why they given in the diagram also. Total cost see from the 0 it starts. Total cost from the 1000 if you increase or decrease 1000 ல இருந்து ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகுது. Total variable cost, total fixed cost na 0 ல இருந்து. If you add this both தான் என்ன ஆகும்? total fixed cost வரும். ரெண்டுமே total variable cost and total fixed cost ரெண்டுமே add பண்ணா if you add means you will get a total cost. That's what they are telling conditions there. TC curves obtain adding both TFC TVC. TFC na total fixed cost, TVC na total variable cost. So it both will be remaining a parallel. See parallel மேல போகுது இல்லையா? அதான் parallel red color curve. Then it always moves to up curve, see there, up curve only it is there. So when a TVC total variable cost and total fixed cost added பண்ணானா total fixed cost move upward ரெண்டுமே சேர்த்தாமே total cost it will be there. Next we'll go for a average fixed cost. Average fixed cost means if I am manufacturing shirt na one each shirt, for example if I said fixed cost na I gave an example of salary of a permanent staff, a rent of a factory அப்படி சொன்னல. இப்போ salary of a permanent staff னா 10 staff is there means I am spending a 1000 rupees. அப்போ ஒரு staffக்கு how much I am paying, that's what they are telling. It refers to the fixed cost of a per unit of a output, one product how much. Okay, for each one product how much I am spending, how much variable cost will be there. That formula they begin. Average fixed cost is equal to total fixed cost divided by Q. Q in a quantity, it's denoted at. So you can see in the table, see there 1000, 0 means work பண்ணாத போது அந்த salary கொடுக்க மாட்டோம், அப்படியே இருக்கும். ரெண்ட் மட்டும் கொடுத்துருப்போம். ஒர்க் பண்ணும்போது salary ப்ளஸ் ஈச் ஒன் மேனுஃபேக்சர் பண்ண ஒரு ப்ராடக்ட்டும் ஒருத்தருக்கும் எந்தெந்த salary கொடுக்குறோம் அப்படின்ட்டு டிவைடட் பை 1 டிவைடட் பை 2 சொல்லிட்டு we have to calculate. So then we'll get a fixed cost per unit, one product how much we are spending. Same thing they given in the diagram, see there. If it's a 1 means 1000, if a 2 means that 1000 rupees divided into 2, and 3 means that 1000 rupees divided into 3. So that's what they given. Next you can they given total average fixed cost declines if output increases. So output increases ஆயிட்டே இருந்ததுன்னா that fixed cost remain constant. Then average fixed cost AFC downward slope உள்ள வரும். Then it never touches x and y axis. You can see in the diagram it never touches x and y axis. Next we will go for the average variable cost. This average variable cost means for each variable cost according to the increasing output. But this month I am getting order of 1000 pen na, next month if I am getting a 2000 pen order na, how much the variable will be for last month this month how much expenses will be different. That's what they are telling. See there in the diagram also, if it's 1 means TV's total variable cost is 200 divided per unit. We divided means 200, like that. If we divide and see for the each product one pen or manufacturing expenses will come. So that's they given in the diagram. See if it's a 1 200, 2 means 250, 3 means 300. So it is decreasing according to the your expenses, it's also decreasing. So see here they given a if AVC means average variable cost is equal to total fixed cost divided by Q. That is quantity per unit how much it is there, quantity of output per single product for a unit of single piece we can say. So the average fixed cost AVC declines starting lana, afterwards if it started increasing manufacturing extra if you are doing means output also will be increasing, that curve also keep on going upward. It's always, see here, it's always be a U-shaped curve. U-shaped curve only. Next we'll go for the average total cost or average cost, total cost or average cost. So this can be divided by the total cost divided by quantity. So before total variable cost plus fixed cost divided total cost வரும். இப்போ each product ஓட variableம் fixedம் single piece குன்னு that is divided by quantity na will get the average total cost வரும். See the they given the diagram, see there ATC, that is ATC means average total cost. See adding the average fixed cost and average variable cost, if we add means we will get it as a ATC, average total cost. Fully add all the expenses, that's what total means, total everything, that is the meaning of that one. So if we add means the diagram will curve starting if it's declining according to the order na, afterwards your orders keep on increasing means the curve also will go up. That's why it's as a U-shaped curve. So U-shaped curve is the average cost. Always according to the variable how much you are producing, according to that it increases or decreases. Next we will go for the marginal cost. Marginal cost means for a single product, if anything changes extra if you are doing, usually each month you will be having order of 1000. 1000 pen order. But next month we'll go for a shirt. Usually you will manufacture a shirt manufacture. If a festival time it is there means many people will started buying. So what you will do, you will manufacture extra unit. So that's what, if a extra unit if you are adding means marginal cost how will be there. Usually you will manufacture 4 unit example. அப்போ அந்த 4 யூனிட்னா 4 ஷர்ட்ஸ்னு வச்சுக்கலாமே எக்ஸாம்பிள். அப்போ யூஸ்வலி your expense will be the 1600. அப்போ ஃபெஸ்டிவலுக்குன்னு இஃப் யூ ஆட் ஒன் மோர் ஷர்ட் எக்ஸ்ட்ரா ஒரு அப்போனா எப்படி போன டைம் 4 ஷர்ட்டு இந்த டைம் வந்து 5 ஷர்ட்டுன்னு வச்சுன்னா அப்போ ஹவு மச் எக்ஸ்பென்ஸுன்னா லாஸ்ட் டைமு 1600 வரும் 4 ஷர்ட்டுக்கு, இப்போ 5 ஷர்ட்டுக்குன்னா 1900 வரும். தட்ஸ் வாட் இஃப் ஆட் எக்ஸ்ட்ரா மேனுஃபேக்சரிங் இஃப் யூ டூ மீன்ஸ் நார்மலுக்குன்னு எக்ஸ்ட்ரா மீன்ஸ் வாட் வில் பி த எக்ஸ்பென்ஸ், தட் இஸ் வாட் த மார்ஜினல் காஸ்ட். ஸோ see there in the diagram they also they given, see there 1300 plus 1200 and 1400 minus 1300 means that is the difference between. So extra whatever usual from the beginning 1400 extra if you are doing means extra 100 you are doing, extra 200 means according to that what are the expenses will be there. See there next the diagram for that. So starting MC will be false first due to the more variable. Next MC curve increases after the lowest point, down it will come 2 3 it is coming. Next MC U shaped curve it's always be, if it's according to if you keep on increasing the manufacture means that MC curve marginal curve goes up steeply, it goes up. So next we'll go for the see this is the total of all. If you want to have all the total of average cost fixed cost means total everything you will get a total of all the variable cost and the fixed cost will come. Next we'll go for the what is the difference between the what is the difference between the average cost and the marginal cost. See there average cost and the marginal. See the diagram here. In the when AC means on the red color curve. If AC is false, it is coming to AC means average cost is falling down. Na? MC lines below and the blue color line below கீழ வரும். Marginal cost will be below. If when the AC average cost keep constant anga joining point it is there both meet cuts in the point no that both MC and AC will be equal, both are equal. If AC curve increases average cost increase ஆயிடுச்சுனா marginal cost also it cuts the average cost and keep on moving. Average cost if it's keep on moving na marginal cost also it will go up but it cuts the AC and keeps on moving. This what about the short run. Next we'll go for the long run. Long run means so for short run la if you extra manufacturing you do means that one all will do extra product we are according to the festival offer you are manufacturing extra you are doing means short run. If you are doing a long run means totally your industry your firm is changing, your machinery also changing na that will come under the long run cost curve. So see the diagram here see LAC long run average cost. So that is what LAC that down la blue color line it is. So that equal to the long run cost divided by the level of output. According to the output your curve is keep on increasing. If you are doing long term manufacturing your firm is keep on changing means according to the how many years or 1 year or 2 year you are changing means according to that the curve will be differ smaller bigger. So here you can see the Q denotes a quantity of output. Quantity of output. So LAC curve derived from short run. Short run lende all the short run together. So least cost curve producing corresponding output. So this long run average cost is also called as a plant curve or a boat shaped curve we can say, or you can say the envelope curve we can say. So these are all about the short run cost curve and the long run cost curve. Thank you.